Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, shut down, plug power and a wired keyboard, and save anything open so the system can restart cleanly. Once done, power on and tap the F8 key repeatedly as the machine posts. This forces Windows 7 to pause before loading the OS, giving you the boot menu. You do this because the boot menu runs before drivers load, which lets you choose safe mode or repair. Make sure to stop tapping once the menu appears to avoid missing your selection. If tapping F8 fails, use a controlled method. Open msconfig, go to the Boot tab, check Safe Boot and restart to force the menu. This changes settings temporarily, so revert later. Alternatively, boot from Windows 7 DVD or USB, pick Repair Your Computer, and access Startup Settings or Command prompt to run bcdedit commands. You do this to repair or re-enable the menu. Using bcdedit gives precise control over boot policies and lets you set the boot menu policy to legacy for persistent F8 behavior. Choose the option that fits your goal. Safe mode to troubleshoot drivers, safe mode with networking to get online, or repair to fix startup. Once the system boots and you finish fixes, open msconfig to uncheck safe boot or run bcdedit to restore default so normal starts resume. If the menu never appears, run from an elevated prompt. bcdedit/set default boot menu policy legacy. This re-enables the old F8 behavior. If issues remain,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.